What's up, YouTube? We're back. Been a month. Not my fault. Completely his. Just
What?
kidding. Anyways, we bought a paint booth. That was our first mistake. All right, so the last time we painted the vet, we had a problem with moisture and or a little bit of oil. That's what caused our pinholes, which is exactly what put us in, what put us here today. So we did some research and we found that we needed some drop legs in the system. So the way this works, we made this out of black pipe. We've got a coil here which should capture water at the bottom of the coil. It runs from here to the drop leg here. We've got a drop leg here. It comes up, it comes down. We've got a drop leg here so we can bleed any water out of there. Comes back up here, comes out here. This is an air dryer. Here's another drop leg. This, we hook the overhead line that we've got there into this. That to that runs to the overhead line. And the overhead line is going to run out to a new air dryer that we have out there. And then on top of that, we're going to run an air dryer at the gun too. So air dryer, air regulator. So all in all, we should have absolutely no water. Plus we drained the tank a couple of times and get those drains, we should be good. The problem we got now is it's hot. It's getting hotter, so we got to get going. So we will see you in there.
Okay, so new plan. It was too hot outside. We're going to inflate it inside if it works. So this is going to be interesting. Did not plan on this, but let's see how it goes. right, so we've figured out it's too hot to paint now. So what we're doing is we're actually going to set up a filter box for the booth and get some other odds and ends that we can go ahead and get done during the day. So we're heading to Harbor Freight. Alright, so as far as the paint booth goes, we were a little disappointed.
Very disappointed.
Very disappointed.
Very disappointed.
Very little disappointed? No.
Very much disappointed.
We were disappointed. It came in a month late. We got partials of it throughout the first so many weeks, and then a bunch of pushback on eBay. It's not a fun story. So, if we had gotten it when we were supposed to get it, the weather would have been still nice and moderate, not hot like it is now. So, really, it's not my fault, but at the same time, it is my fault. But that's okay. So, some of the big issues that we did see, though, were mainly that it doesn't really ventilate very well
At all. It almost killed me.
And it was very hot.
Very hot.
So hot. You know,
This is my take on it, okay? You want a hot box that the fumes don't come out of, buy one of those, because that's all it is. It doesn't filter the air coming into the paint booth. It only filters the air going out. So then they give you a 350 watt ventilation fan. That isn't even enough to balloon out the intake tube. doesn't do anything other than push minimal air. If you've got a shop vac, you're probably pushing as much air as that thing. We purchased a 950 watt fan blower to inflate it, and that was what was supposed to come with it.
Not to mention the one that was supposed to come with it never came.
Never came. This is the second one we ordered. The first one disappeared completely. The paint booth, the first paint booth disappeared completely. The seller sent us another one, but when the second paint booth got here, we received no fans. We got a fan from the first paint booth, but no fans for the second one. But lucky for us, they told us if the first one ever shows up, we get to keep it.
Right, 2 paint booths.
Two paint booths.
It would be better in the long run to build a paint booth that's actually with, you know, panels and the lights built in and everything. The idea behind this paint booth was a good concept, which was, you know, make it inflatable to where you don't have to have a dedicated room for it all the time. But the execution's pretty poor.
I would not purchase one of these inflatable paint booths. If you have a place to paint now that's adequate, this is not going to be better.
Now, there may be better brands that supply better wattage blowers and actually get some ventilation going. This isn't one of those. It's from China. Anyways, we'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye!